Hello students, these are the next two exercises from chapter number 38 from banking phrases. Let's start with exercise number 195 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. My brother and I are in joint stock banks in London. He is in the foreign department and consequently he is specially acquainted with such expressions as arbitration of exchange, course of exchange, rate of exchange, long exchange, short exchange, cable remittance, and telegraphic transfers, and a draft on demand. The phraseology used in connection with bills is very interesting to him, and in dealing with a bill, he has, of course, to note the date of the maturity of the bill, whether it is specially endorsed or has a restrictive endorsement or has on it the words without recourse or in case of need. Bills are sometimes accepted for the honor of any party thereon or accepted payable in London, or they have a per procuration acceptance. A bank may receive orders to retire acceptance. I am specially concerned with checks which may be town checks, metropolitan checks, or country checks, paying slips, various bank notes, and circular notes. Our bank occasionally consents to grant an advance against a life policy and accepts deeds accompanied by a memorandum of deposit. Next exercise number 196 on the speed of 80 words per minute. Be ready. Start. I understand the significance of a nominal consideration which is given for the purpose of avoiding paying ad valorem stamp duty, a deed of transfer, a negotiable instrument, and a negotiable security, among which last British government securities take a premier place. A form of indemnity is used in connection with the loss of documents and in other matters. Sometimes I have to write on a check, refer to drawer, and occasionally a check is not honored without the written authority of the drawer or the advice to cancel the check is received. I have to pay particular attention to a not negotiable check. Without the clearing house, the London clearing bankers would be unable to cope with the huge number of checks which pass daily through their banks, the daily average being about 50 million pounds. The amount of labor, both physical and mental, represented by this vast sum is indeed wonderful. There are 4 clearings each day. metropolitan town morning, country town afternoon, at each of which the respective checks are cleared. The busiest days are the 4th of the month, when so many bills are payable, and the stock exchange settlement days. So these are the next two exercises from chapter number 38 banking phrases. आप लोगों को कोई भी प्रॉब्लम हो, कोई भी क्वेरी हो, कुछ भी पूछना हो तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. थैंक यू.